Kom matla men tuya ken token styling toxin called.
You feel it?
Yeah.
Bruh!
Kom matli tok sadang nang
Is it
kloken.
bad?
It's painful for me.
Is it very bad?
No, not that bad. It only hurts a little.
I want my ears. I want 4 piercing on each side.
La pero nga cheme ban to ko ichang.
Nah, that's you. That's gonna be you next.
Yay!
Look, that's you.
No pag lang nun tama ban tok.
Nana, you next. Ready. Finish.
Nah, are you ready to get your ear pierced?
Alright,
Yeah, you're gonna get your ears pierced.
get ready, Nana.
That's gonna be you.
Aban
next.
chang.
Look,
Aban chang chang.
look, that's you next. Go. It's your turn.
Yeah.
Your turn.
No,
It's your turn.